Can you eat this by the spoonful? I don't see why not. Hey everyone, Mark here, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today is chimichurri. It's an uncooked sauce condiment with origins from Argentina, and typically it's used on meat, but really it's good on anything. So if you search for a chimichurri recipe online, so many variations come up. So what I did was pick apart a bunch, and with some of my own techniques, I came up with my own version of chimichurri. So let's go. So for this recipe, we're taking out the mortar and pestle. And just like the pesto that we made in the mortadella sandwich video, you're gonna put in a little bit of arm work, but it's gonna be worth it. And if you want that recipe for the mortadella sandwich, it's coming across the screen right now. And I'll link it below in the description. Okay, so first we're gonna grab our parsley and we're gonna chop it up nice and fine. I mean like super fine. And I'm also gonna use the stalks for this recipe. I just like that it adds that little, now we're gonna add a little bit of heat. I'm using a fresh Thai chili that we're gonna finely chop. If you can't find anything fresh, you can use dried chili flakes, totally fine. All right, time to mash away. You're gonna add a couple cloves of garlic into your mortar. You're gonna season it with salt and you're gonna pestle away at it. The salt is gonna help bring out the moisture out of the garlic and it's really gonna form a nice paste. I like this method than say using a microplane, which can really damage the garlic cell walls and can add a pungent flavor. If you use a knife, that's fine too, but you're gonna get a weaker flavor and that technique is a little bit harder to master. So I like getting that garlic flavor right in the middle, and that's why I'm using a mortar and pestle. Look at that garlic paste, it's beautiful. Time for the oregano. I'm using dried oregano. We're gonna use the pestle to release some of the essential oils and to mix in with the garlic paste. I find that dried oregano complements the chimichurri overall a little bit better than say fresh oregano, which can really overpower the dish. I feel fresh oregano should be used in dishes when it can be discarded after cooking. An example would be like adding fresh oregano to the cavity of say a fish or even a chicken. And now we're gonna add extra virgin olive oil and lots of it. The best quality that you can get, like this. I love olive oil. Now we're gonna add some acidity to the dish in the form of red wine vinegar. And now we're gonna add our super duper finely chopped parsley and we're gonna mix to incorporate everything. Add your chili and a few twists of freshly cracked pepper, then give that a mix, taste, and adjust for any seasonings. Look at that chimichurri. Luxurious, beautiful, delicious. All right, so there you have it. Fresh, beautiful, silky chimichurri sauce. So like I said, you can put this on anything, but typically it's put on a flank steak or a skirt steak. Oh, there you go. Look at this. So good. You can also put it on even roasted potatoes. Look at that. Roasted potatoes. This stuff is good. Let's try, I don't know, maybe some roast chicken? This is pretty cool. Ask and you shall receive. Oh, the chicken looks good too. It's just so fresh. You know, give me a piece of bread and I'm good. This is awesome. Got some nice sourdough bread here. This is so fresh and delicious, even with a piece of bread. So I hope you guys give it a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.